If you see this and this, it means we're going to make homemade, plant-based, gluten-free and dairy-free Dubai chocolate. Let's get started. First and very important, kataifi, homemade, gluten-free and no any starches dough I already made using my recipe from this video. So the quantity from that video is here into my bowl, and we need to roast it, and I will be using a little bit of coconut oil, or you can use also avocado oil to safely roast anything that you prefer at home. So we start from the roasting our dough. We roast it until we get a crunchy consistency. As long as you roast your kataifi dough, as crunchy it becomes at the end. But please do not burn it. When to stop? So you need to touch it and it should be very, very crunchy. So at this moment you can stop. What else I want to add into our Dubai chocolate filling? So it's gonna be pistachio butter or pistachio paste. This is my homemade pistachio paste. I made it here. You can check this video. I give the tips how to make any nut butter, raw nut butter, easily at home with any blender. What I want to emphasize, just look on this color. This is pistachio butter, but it is way far from that advertised Dubai chocolate green, bright feeling. What does it mean? Write me below. What does it mean? I will write you in the first comment my opinion of what happened with that Dubai bright green chocolate, why it is so bright. Okay, so we will add pistachio butter. We will add a little bit of tahini. You can make tahini same way as a pistachio butter, but mine is from the store. It's like organic, only one ingredient, sesame paste or tahini paste, and just a little bit of maple syrup, just a little bit. We need just combine everything. I put my pistachio paste, tahini, and liquid sweetener. Let's massage everything by hand. You can feel that your dough, kataifi gluten-free dough, is very crunchy. I'm going to grab tempered chocolate. You can find my tempered chocolate via this link, or you can make your oven by melting store-bought chocolate. And also we need a nice mold for this Dubai chocolate, healthy option. Which one to take? I also don't know. Okay, let's grab this one, classic one. That is all. Our Dubai pistachio kataifi dough. Let's put it here. So it should be something like this. So in general, this quantity of the recipe is enough for 2 big bars. Just this is for you for future. And we need to cover it with the chocolate that is also tempered. Let's wait when it becomes hard and see the result.